Hello student, in this lectures I am going to discuss about the family of Euphorbiaceae, of their floral and vegetative characters, features and economic importance of Euphorbiaceae. The systematic position of Euphorbiaceae, so the class Dicotyledons, subclass Monoclamidae, series Unisexuals. This family is commonly called Spurge family. Some of the common plants are castor, topica and Indian gooseberry, etc. There is Resinus communis, Philandus symbolica, Philandus neruri, Euphorbia atrophylla. These are some common plants of Euphorbiaceae. In this family, there are 300 genera, nearly 7,500 species were present. This is the fourth largest of all angiosperm families, and they are cosmopolitan in distribution. As far as vegetative characteristics concerns, the habits are the most of the plants are herbs, shrubs, or trees. You can herb in Philandus neruri, shrub as a jatropha, tree as a Philandus symbolica, and resinus. Some of the climbing shrub with the stinging nettles. The many plants shows xerophytic adaptation. Phylloclade is present in Euphorbia, Thyrcalli, Xylophylla, etc. So latex vessels are present in the stems, leaves and fruits. So most of the plants are covered with spines and prickles. So here because they are mostly, some of the plants are present in xerophytic adaptation. So leaves are simples, are rarely common. You can see the figure in the pictures that shows that the plants are croton passiflorus. This is the example of Euphorbiaceae plant. So leaves simple or rarely compound, alternate or opposites. The floral characteristics of inflorescence shows the great variations. The inflorescence is terminal or axillary. It is a racemose or cymose or special type of called cyathium type also present. Some of the Acalypha inflorescence is a spike, in Resinus inflorescence is a spike, Jatropha is a dicacial cymes. The flowers are unisexual monoecious. It is a male and female flowers are produced in the same plant. Example Euphorbia. Dioecious, that is the male female plants are separate. Example Mulatus. The flowers are naked as in Euphorbia, that is no perianth. So monoclamidas as the male female flowers of croton is diclamidas, which clearly differentiated calyx and corolla as in Jatropha. Perianth is a consist of one or two whorls of perianth lobes. The lobes are free or united. The perianth is absent in Euphorbia. Next, the androecium, the male flowers. Androecium consists of one to many stamens. The lobes are free or united, valvate or imbricate estivation. Androecium, the male flowers. Androecium consists of one to many stamens. So one stamen as in Euphorbia. So many stamen is present in croton. So gynoecium, the female flowers, there are three carpels, that is called tricarpellary. Syncarpus, ovary superior with three distinct terminal style that are forked. Axile presentation. The fruits types are capsule regma, The seeds are endospermous. Next we see the economic importance of Euphorbiaceae. The Monocote utilisma. This is tubers, roots are edible to starch. Philanthus umbilica. The fruits are rich in vitamin C. Resinous communis, that is castor. This castor oils is extracted from seeds. Philanthus neruri, that is Chilanelli. The plant is of medicinal value. It is used for jaundice. Acalypha indica is a medicine. Hevia brachialis is a para rubber. It yield rubber. These are some. And also Euphorbia, Heterophylla, Molatus. These are some other plants for usually for economically important plants. Thank you.